Hi guys. What we're going to be doing today is talking about how to get started with embroidery. And so you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need your 6-inch by 6-inch square of fabric. I think most of you chose like a white background. There was, I think, a light pink and a dark blue if you wanted that. You're also going to need your hoop and a pencil for this activity. What you're going to do first is just find what you want to make. And you can do that by simply just like going to Google and searching whatever you want for so free embroidery patterns is a great place to start. And I just go into images and you will find all kinds of really cool stuff to potentially embroider. I personally went into this one, but you can go into this one and see there's just really cute stuff as well. I'm going to click that and see where it takes me to. So again, you could do, these are really neat and sweet. Like I love the little heart. So I think maybe I'll do, it's got a lot of detail in it. I'm trying to decide what I want to do. I think I could probably do one of these. I just need to draw it out. So that's what I'm going to do is show you guys like how to do this. So first what you want to do is you want to take your inside hoop. So you want to take your hoop and lay it down. You don't need both at this point. You can just take the inside one and kind of lay it down. And we're going to draw. So I'm going to pick this one again. You can spend a lot of time, guys, going through these. I went through and did, I looked earlier and did another one out of here. I actually have already done another one here. This would be that cloud one that you see here. I took and copied that one in. So I may do this one for my samples, or I'm going to draw another one right now. So I'm going to try this flower. So again, take your inside hoop because you want it to fit. And now we're ready to do our design. And so again, you've got a couple choices here. I think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to look in here and see what they got. I like the heart too. Decisions. Oh, the little girl's cute too. So I think I'm going to, because I don't have to trace it per se if I do the flower. So you can do one of two things. You can draw out your design, which is what I'm going to do today, or you can use your laptop as a tracer. So how you would do that is you would turn up the backlight of your computer and get that to shine through really bright. You would dim your lights in your room, and then you'll probably want to take and copy that image and put it in Google Docs so you can size it. Because first of all, you want it to fit in this hoop. You don't want it to be too huge; it doesn't fit. So make sure that it fits like in your hoop. So you can change and adjust the size on Schoology, not Schoology, sorry, on Google Docs. So you can make it fit just right. But I think I'm just going to freehand this design. And again, I am not an artist, guys, so, forgive, but I'm going to try to do this. I think I can do it. So I'm going to just draw this little flower. And it just looks like they kind of go in and then come back out. Again, no artist here, so no judgment. I think I'm going to go up here. And then I'll go in, up, around, in, up, around. And even if I make some mistakes, I will be able to fix some of that as I sew. And it's going to look pretty because it's going to have a lot of pretty colors on it. So that's kind of my flower shape right now. And then they have, in the middle, they have all these little dots. I don't necessarily need to draw all those. I'm going to draw a couple just so I can remember my design. And then they have a bunch of little lines with dots at the top. Again, I don't have to draw all those right now. I can actually just do those later. But this looks pretty cute. So draw. And this is what you're doing. You're just kind of drawing it in a little bit. Oops. Hardest part is to keep it down as you do this. And then, so there's my flower. Now I need to draw the stem of the flower. And so I think I'm going to have it go this way. So I think I'm going to draw that. It goes kind of like this. And then in the middle of each one, you got like a little line. So I'm going to draw that line. And then it comes out like that. And then it does another one up here a little bit more. And it looks like it kind of comes out like this. Kind of goes down like this. And again, you can adjust. Like, I don't like how this one is like kind of coming out. So I can actually erase it a little bit and draw it back in a little bit. Yeah, I like that better. Like that better. Much better. So here's my little flower. This is what it looks like. So this is what I'm wanting you to do the first day, is I just want you to look around, find a cute pattern that you like. Again, it can even just be your initials. And then you're going to draw it out or trace it, either one. And now we're ready to put it in our hoop. Okay, so to get the two hoops apart to begin with, what you have to do is you have to unscrew this portion. So you got to unscrew it, and then this part will pop out. Okay. Now what we need to do is put it back together. So I'm going to put this in, and then I'm going to kind of pull this apart and set it on top. Now, actually what you want to do is not put it in all the way. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Is you want to kind of like leave a little lip like that. And now we're going to tighten it. So I'm going to tighten it about as tight as I can get it to go. So twist, twist, twist. Just kind of keep twisting. All right. Oh, there we go. It's pretty tight now. I can't really do any more. Now I can just push down on it, and that will make it really snug in here. You kind of almost want it to be like a little drum. All right. So now I've got it ready, and the next step is to start our embroidery. So watch for the next videos, kind of showing you how to get started. I did attach some additional just resources that show you many different types of stitches, because even with this one, there's only a couple different types of stitches that it's showing. And you can do dozens of different types of stitches depending on what you want to do. So keep that in mind, that you can go to the Schoology page and look at the additional resources, additional videos, and watch those as well. But you can also follow me along in completing my project. All right, guys, I hope this helped you, and I can't wait to see what you guys decide.